the 27th of October, 2023. Wrangler bottles new fragrance collection with Tru Western. Global denim brand Wrangler and fragrance house Tru Western have launched a new collection of colognes inspired from the rugged confidence and bold spirit and lifestyle of the American cowboy. The new line is rolling out in time for the holiday shopping season and Rodeo's biggest event of the year, the Wrangler National Finals Rodeo. What we wear, clothing or fragrance, has a tremendous influence on our mentality and mood, said Jenni Broyles, Senior Vice President,